Right chaps, me again. Right, I'm going to try and pick this American 1205. It's a 5 pinner, there's a bidding on the key. I don't pick Americans, and it's for good reason, because I'm crap at serrated pins. There's a wee serrated pin there in that one, like it has key pin. I know the key pins don't affect this, but it affects me when I reset them. Give it a bite here. See what we can do. Right. That was pin 4. You gotta keep click on there. Too much tension, not too much tension on as it is. So I'll do what the crack is there as soon as I lift it. There's a big false set there. I lost the tension wrench. Pin 1. There we go. Was it picked? No, I thought it was picked there. Thought it was picked. Still something else here. Where is it, bud? 5. Oh, 4. You click a pin 4 there. I think we were set pin 40. Just we drop her. There we go now. The triangle's got it here. Hold on. Get the wee ghetto pin and tray in. Try and keep it in shot at all times. Huh? Oh, wee wafer come out of that. What do I need to get the clip off? What's this thing? So we can get it off this one. So I took her the shot again there. This clip has been off before. I've picked this and lap it up. Got the key for it anyway. So I picked this before a pass leaf on YouTube. Here you are. Things are going our way here. Right. Plug follower. Oh, there's plug follower. Oh, let's see. We are there. Up that way there. We need to go. I'll turn right around there. Give it a bash. There we go. So it's a 5 pinner. There's holes for 6 there. See. Right, so we'll dump them out here. You know what's in this anyway. Right. Pin 1 is serrated, pin 2 is serrated, pin 3 is serrated, pin 4 is serrated, pin 5 is standard. Just a typical core for an American. Steady him up a bit there, boy. Right, so pin 1 driver is right, your boy, is a serrated spool. 2 is a serrated. 3 is a serrated. 4 is a serrated. And 5 is a serrated spool. See if we can zoom in and get the hammer. Oh shit. There they are there. You can see them or not, can you? So it's something like that. Now you can see them already, can't you? Serrated, 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 standard key pins, and serrated spool, serrated, 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 serrated spool. Thanks for watching. Big long video. Sorry about that, chaps. Bye, see you there.